guys, welcome to another video. Today, this video, I felt like it needed another intro, like an intro to the intro. I filmed this video 3 years ago. It's a little dated and the intro kind of sucked. So basically in this video, I was going to originally title it The Piece of Loneliness. And basically like this day, I was just really enjoying my time by myself. At the time, I was constantly surrounded by people. I had an afternoon where I didn't have any plans or anyone that was available to hang out with, so I just kind of went on an adventure by myself and ended up finding some pants that almost fit me. I went and did a little sewing project and I added a few inches to a pair of pants that I bought in a pretty creative way. So if I seem all over the place in this video, I think it's because I just didn't have a solid plan and was just kind of filming as I went. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hello. It's been a while since I've had time by myself. I just went to the mall to get food and I on a whim decided to walk into Hollister and I found 2 pair of pants. That's like crazy for like a tall person, you know, even though I have like a lot of pants, because every single time I find pants that fit me, I have to buy them because I just get really excited that a pair of pants fits me. And that is turning into a little project because I'm gonna do a little DIY to one of the pants that I bought. I just wanted to make a little video of just enjoying my time by myself. I love my friends, I love my family, I love my boyfriend, but I love spending time with myself and not caring about what anyone else wants to do and just going with the flow, not even having a plan and doing what I want, you know? I ended up getting some tacos. They were delicious. Got these 2 pair of pants and I'm about to go to a craft store and get some fabric to add to one of the bottoms of one of them. And then tonight, when I get back to my apartment, after I sew my pants and everything, I want to spend some time with God. Read a chapter of the Bible. Me and my boyfriend are starting to read the Bible together. Tonight, I think we're going to start in John. This is gonna be a great night and it's all gloomy and gross out and I'm smiling, which is really weird. I'm just starting to feel because you regenerate. I have no idea. I'm also really excited because those tacos are really good. Okay, let's go. So I got my textured fabric. I ended up not going with lace. It's just a texture. It's really pretty. It's got roses on it. I brought my jeans in and then I got the jean fabric. All right, I got the goods and then some. I got a little excited and I was sitting there in the line and I saw these. I've been needing some for my glasses. I was like, say less, I get them. I don't know how to open them though. How the heck do I open these? They're cute. Should I drive like this? Okay, we got the sewing machine, pants, and we got the fabric. Time to make some magic. Before we do that though, I got another pair of pants for $20. They fit me perfectly around the waist and they also have cuffs on them, but I can like unroll the cuffs and they'll be longer. And so I really want to see if they'll fit, and I really think they are because they're already like a good length on me, but if I unroll them, they'll be even longer. All right, let's see. Oh, come on. I literally have tools for this. Hold on. Ha ha. I don't want to cut a hole into the pants. I just want to cut whatever this is holding it. I almost got it. First side done. It's like way longer now. Then suddenly she had pants that fit her. Look at that. Look how long. Oh, I love them. Nice. It's insane. Insanity. All right, now it's time for the fun part. The way that I'm doing this, I am going to probably add the fabric like lengthwise. I'm gonna make it pretty long just so I don't have to do it multiple times. I'll take this fabric, which is like the really nice textured fabric. I'm going to put it on the inside like this, and then I'm going to sew the jean texture on top of that, and then I'm going to sew it to the bottom of the pants, and then I'm going to fold them up probably like this, and then it'll look really pretty at the bottom of the pants, hopefully. I'm gonna make it so it looks like it's like was like there before kind of a thing. So that's the plan. Before we start sewing though, I need to decide how long I want these pants to be. And to do that, I want to make this at least like 2.5 times longer than I want like the length to be added on, because I'm gonna be folding it up. I'm gonna maybe make it like this much longer. That is good right there. I don't think that this is going to need exact precise measurements, so that's gonna be nice. Okay, so it's gonna be a gamble on whether this is wide enough or not, because the way it was cut, it's a little shorter than this fabric. I think it should be good. There's not a lot of give, but it'll be good. I'm gonna sew the first little thing. Oh, I meant to make a time lapse of this. So just flip this inside out. It's looking good. Let's see if it lines up with the pants. The moment of truth. That looks perfect. That literally looks perfect. Oh my gosh. I guess let's sew it onto the pants. I'm gonna flip this back inside out. I'm gonna sew one side on and then the other side on, and I'm gonna sew it like this. I think this is gonna work. This is what it looks like when I pinned it, and that's exactly that's what we're going for. Yay! Oh my gosh. Okay, this is gonna work. It's gonna be a little tricky because we have a hole in the middle, and so I need to make sure that I don't sew it shut. I've done stuff like this before with like sleeves and stuff like that. Go ahead, like 5/8. And then we're good. We're good to start. I'm really hoping that I didn't mess up. I don't think it matters too much, but I'm gonna flip this back. Look how much longer my pants are now. Oh my gosh. And then I'm going to take just a bit of it and I'm gonna fold it over until I like the length. And I'm gonna fold it over one more time. Then I'm probably gonna hand sew the inside part. It's beautiful. Honestly, I love it. This is amazing. I love these. This is incredible. All right, I'm about to start doing this to all my pants. Wow. Wow. Literally, the difference is huge. Like, I've always loved pants that like actually touch the ground. They're just so cute. And mine always have been like this length, and I always have to wear like boots with it or Converse, or it looks weird. And like with these, I can wear anything with them. All right, it's time for the reveal. I did the other side. Okay. Ooh, actually, I'll do like a little reveal. Like I'll like appear. I'm gonna take them off because this might be a little TMI, but I'm on my period and these are white pants. I'm not trying to ruin that right now. That would suck. I think I'm gonna do like a little Bible study. I'm gonna make dinner first because I haven't eaten since my authentic tacos earlier. Oh, how'd you get in here? I'm just gonna have a microwave dinner because I was supposed to go to the grocery store and clearly I got distracted with this whole entire night. And a little dash of wine. I just turned 21 21, less than a week ago, and this makes me feel like an adult. Five, four, three, two, one. Happy New Year! Microwave. I am so excited to edit this video. This is the most random stuff. Can confirm, I'm having a fun time editing this. Appetizing. Oh! The amount of times that I burn my mouth on like a weekly basis, I just realized that. I would never wait for my food to cool down because I get too excited to eat it. But yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, it's Editor Bella again from the future. Oh my gosh, so weird. This video is such a time capsule of this like time in my life. That's why I love making YouTube videos. I love that it's like it acts as a time capsule for me, and I just really enjoy making these videos. I may not always post them in order at all. Usually, actually, I don't post them in order, but I'm happy that this one's getting to see the light of day. It's been sitting in my phone for a long time, so it's about time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.